Last week, I sold close to $2,000 on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. These are the sales from October 11th through the 17th. Now, this will not be every sale that I made. It's just the highlights of the sales that I'd like to share with you. Stick around until the end of the video to see what I sold on eBay that shipped to Germany. Do you ship internationally? If not, maybe you should be. Stick around. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I am a reseller part-time, however, I do have 20 years of experience selling on eBay. My full-time job as a technology professional, reselling is my passion. Now let's see what I sold last week for close to $2,000 as a part-time gig. Okay, so we'll start off on Poshmark. The first sale was a bundle sale of 2 plus-size blouses, this Torrid size 2X short sleeve shirt, and then she also ordered this new with tag Susan Graver. She sent me an offer of $48 on the bundle, which I accepted. I can usually sell Torrid for more than that, but it was a bundle sale, and I've had both these shirts since 2020. I paid $3.50 each for the shirts at Goodwill. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold on the bundle was about $31. I picked up this Susan Graver shirt because it was new with tags and a plus size. I thought it would sell a little bit faster than that. Again, I've had it since 2020, so when the offer came in, I quickly accepted. Next up was a very quick sale. It sold in less than a week. These Croc shoes, as you can see, they have glitter on the heel, and it's more of a platform, chunky heel. I've not seen Crocs quite like this before, but I picked these up at a local thrift store for $1. I priced them high at $49, and they sold within 5 days. So my profit on this pair of shoes, $36.70. I do sell Crocs quite often. However, you must be careful when you list them on eBay. You cannot list new Crocs on eBay, or at least I found out the hard way. I actually got a cease and desist letter from Crocs asking me to remove the new Crocs shoes that I had listed on eBay. That could be a whole video in and of itself, but we'll save that for a later date. Next up on Poshmark is a pair of silver denim jeans. I'm always finding these silver jeans, and I pick them up as long as they are in fairly good condition. Some of them do sell better than others. Those with the back flap pockets and embellished jeans tend to sell better than the regular pair. I would consider this a regular pair. As you can see, there is nothing fancy about the back pockets. It does have thick stitching. I paid $4.25 for these. The buyer paid my full price of $33 on Poshmark, so my profit, $20.65. Next up is a purse that I've had for a very long time, since 2019. I paid $2 for it at the Goodwill bins in Salt Lake City. I was happy to see it go for my full price of $32. So my profit, $23.60. I thought this would sell faster than that. Again, I've had it listed since 2019. Next up is a pair of SAS, S-A-S, tennis shoes. These are new shoes. I purchased them at Goodwill for $6. I priced them high at over $100. The buyer paid my full price of $112 plus shipping on Poshmark. So my profit on these new with tag tennis shoes, $82.10. These took about 5 months to sell, but I was okay holding out for the right buyer. Next up is a pair of Miss Me denim jeans. I purchased these at my local thrift shop for $5. These are very unique in that the back pockets have back flap pockets, and within there is cowhide. So I did price these high. The buyer paid $60 plus shipping on Poshmark. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold, $43. The next item sold on Amazon, it was a caraway soup gift set. I purchased this for $3 at Goodwill. I've had it for about 4 months, so I was happy to see it sell on Amazon for $59.99 plus $7.49 shipping. It did cost me a little bit more than the $7.49. I paid almost $11 to ship it, but after the fees and my cost of $3, I still made a $42 profit. I probably would not pick this up again if I did find it, even though it is new in the box. I'm hesitant to ship the glass bowls, and finding a box to ship this box in was not fun. Still made a great profit on that, but I'm not so sure that I would pick this up again if I found it in the wild. How's everyone doing? Do you like this content? If so, do me a favor and click that like button, which is the thumbs up. It tells me you like this kind of video and would love for me to create more of them. It takes just a second, it's free, and it really helps my channel. Now let's jump over to Facebook. I had several sales on Facebook that I'd like to show you. This VCR with remote. I picked it up at a garage sale for $1. I priced it high at $65. After about 4 months on Facebook and my other platforms, an offer came in at $40 plus $25.99 shipping, which I accepted. The buyer did pay shipping, so my profit on this, $33.70. Again, this was another one that was not pleasant to ship. And I did make a video showing that it actually worked. And I will link that video here. On items like this where they do want to make sure that the item is in working condition, it's always a good idea to show them with a video. The next item to sell on Facebook was a pair of Mountain Hardwear pants. I paid $3 for these at a local church sale. They sold for my full price of $49 plus $10.70 shipping on Facebook. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold, $53.41. Again, keywords I used are ski, snowboard, snow pants. They are men's size large. These sold within less than 1 month. Next up is a Denver Broncos hooded sweatshirt, full zip jacket, plus size. I picked this up at the local church sale here in town for $2. It sold for my full price of $39 plus shipping within 1 day. My profit on this hooded sweatshirt, $43.60. When you can pick up these NFL items at a low cost, say $2, $3, maybe $4, I would go ahead and get it. The NFL fans are crazy about their sports teams. The next item to sell on Facebook is a pair of 5-finger toe shoes, Vibram. I paid $2 for these at Goodwill. They sold for my full price on Facebook of $68 within about 3 weeks. So my profit on this pair of shoes, again, there were no fees associated with this sale, and I believe Facebook covered the cost of shipping. So my profit, $66. I've sold these toe shoes in the past, and they always sell quite well, regardless of the brand. The last sale on Facebook I'd like to show you is a pair of Oshkosh bib overalls. These are a larger kid's size 5T. I paid $1 for this at the local thrift store. They sold for my full price of $22 plus $5.50 shipping. So my profit on this after the fees and cost of goods sold, $25.06. So there is money to be made in the children's clothing. You just need to know what to look for. So keep your eye open for the Oshkosh bib overalls. And the next item is a fun one that sold on Mercari. This Robin t-shirt with the cape. I picked this up in mid-September knowing that Halloween was right around the corner. It sold in less than 1 month for $25. So I paid $3.50 for this shirt. My profit, $17.97. The last item I want to show you actually sold on eBay. It's a Lone Star metal beer sign. My husband spotted this at Goodwill for $3. There's the price on it right there. Sometimes they mark the price on there and I just take a photo of it and put it up there. I do believe that before I shipped it, I ripped that $3 off, but yeah, it did end up in the pictures. It did have a few faint marks on it, but an offer came in of $90 plus $37 to have it shipped to Germany. So I accepted. It shipped through the global shipping program, so my cost on the shipping was just $20. So I made a little bit of money on the shipping. My profit, $87.49. So keep your eye open for these man cave beer signs. This is the second one that I've sold in less than 2 months. I just shared with you not every sale that I had last week, but 15 of the highlighted sales that helped me gross close to $2,000 in sales last week. None of the items that I showed you were stuffed plush animal sales, as I do make regular plush what sold videos. If that interests you, or if you'd like to see more of these what sold last week videos, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to be notified of my next video. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.